So this event took place in November of 2022 here in Australia at New Govardhana. There's a devotee in New Govardhana named Jiva who does a lot of service here. He's about 35 years old. His mother works in a palliative care center. Palliative care is a center for people that are older and usually need some special caring facilities. So a few days ago, this man named Martin came to Jivananda's mother and said, "Do you know if there's a Hare Krishna temple anywhere around here?" And she said, "Oh, my son lives there." And she said, "I'll take you there." So she came with Martin, and they met this Jiva. And he said, "Do you know where I can get Caitanya Caritamrita?" Because he had read all the books, a lot of books. And Jivananda said, I'll get you an entire set. I'll just not get you one book." So the man reached into his pocket, Martin, and gave him a sum of $500. Hare Krishna.